Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Here's a little pretty easy uh, twisted ribbon effect that almost anybody could produce. I was just kind of playing around, so I thought I'd show it off. It uses quite a few tools. I'm going to use the 2 point line and draw a perfect line. And then I'm going to get the distort. And I'm going to grab my line and I'm going to go, uh, well, I did evidently didn't grab it. And grab the distort and start put one or two zipper attitudes first, and then just start adding uh, frequencies. And that's too many. I don't know what I was thinking. That's why you want to go ahead and put some of these first, so you see how many you got. And that's still too many. Let's go kind of like what I got in the picture, but keep making a little bit bumped up because we want some definition, and then go right here to smooth the distortion. And I think that'll work. So now I'm going to go and make this a really thick line, and 100 points isn't listed, but I'm going to type in 100. And then I'm going to go to object, convert the outline to an object, then I can left click, right click. And then we just need to make some curvatures, and we want them kind of all the same. And there's probably some mathematical uh, things we could try because these ought to be equal. So if we use our parallel dimension tool from that node to that node is 9.81. Even though we're not going to go probably from that node, everything should be equal. And we're just going to try this. So we need a curve. I'm going to get the 3 point curve line, and I'm going to go from about there to there and then curve it down. I need to look at it and make sure we're good, and we're good. And then, so we're going to change our nudge factor to 9.81, and just hopefully this works. Control D and make a duplicate, and look at that, it put it in the exact same spot because our items are in the same spot on the curve. And then you could mirror that up, but and this should be 9.81 here too, so we're just going to do the same thing with a curved line, and we need a curve going from here to here, and then just give a little bit of a bend. That looks good. Control D, make it duplicate, and move it over 9.81. Now, we need to make sure we don't have any leaks, and for that, I'm going to put a rectangle, because you never know. I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to use the blue, no leak, no leak, no leak, no leak. Well, we got a leak on that last one. So let's look at it, see what happened. Shouldn't really be leaking, it's just a hair off. And so that's why you want to check your leaks. And luckily it stayed inside, so it didn't really matter. There we go. Oh, you know what, I must have had another leak on that first one that didn't notice. So the measurement was a little bit off, but you can always fix that, and you're going to be closer by moving it than you could do kind of by snapping it. Then go back to the Smart Fill tool and fill in those two. Still got a little leak. I thought I fixed that one. One more time. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and Smart Fill these other ones in, because those are the ones we need to make it look like it's going under. So now we're going to grab this one, get the interactive fill tool, and kind of go from the bottom to top. I'm going to put a black in that corner. I'm going to go ahead and put a black in this corner. And then I'm going to add blues. And I'm going to add a number of blues to kind of get rid of all the black. And you could do as many as you want to this and, change it. But I'm going to call that good. Now what's cool about this, we can use the attribute eyedropper because our places are all going looking the same. And there you have it. In just a little short time, you have created a spring effect or a ribbon effect. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.